Murdered at St. James, mother and daughter, Dionne Smith and Jay-Shenel Gordon, laid to rest.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There was no shortage of tears on Sunday, November the 11th, as family members and well-wishers filled the Farm Heights Seventh-day Adventist Church in St. James to say goodbye to Dionne Smith and her daughter, Jay-Shenel Gordon, who were brutally murdered on September 23rd. According to reports, 43-year-old Smith was stabbed multiple times by her common-law husband, Fabian Laisong, during an argument at their home in Rose Heights. Laisong then went to Gordon's room and slashed the teenager's throat while she slept. During Sunday's service, which was presided over by Pastor Glenn Samuels of the West Jamaica Conference of Seventh-day Adventists and Pastor Joel Hay of the Northern Caribbean University Church, friends and relatives of the mother and daughter could not contain their grief and tears amid the outpouring of musical tributes.
See you tomorrow, that you said before you left. Tomorrow never come, you just took your last breath. Would do anything just to see you make a step, but we can't see your back because I miss a death. My hands from my jaw, I know me still afraid. Why you I forgot? You not live no life yet. Mama said forgive, but it's hard to forget. You know it's hard to forget.
Apart from the tributes from family members, remembrances came from students of the Herbert Morrison Technical High School, where Gordon was a student. And the Ruby service station in Montego Bay, where Smith worked as a supervisor.
And to us, the first lesson.
Mike.
The scripture reading is taken from Ecclesiastes 3, verse 1 to 8. To everything there is a season, and a time to every purpose under the heaven. A time to born, a time to die, a time to plant, and a time to pluck of that which is planted. A time to kill, a time to heal, a time to break, and a time to break down, and a time to build up. A time to weep, a time to laugh, a time to laugh, a time to mourn, and a time to dance, a time to cast away stones, and a time to gather stones together.
There was also music from the Green Heights Assembly of God congregation, where Smith was a member.
On behalf of Green Heights Assembly of God in Green Pond, I do offer condolences to you, to all families and friends, acquaintances and well-wishers. I stand here this afternoon as Dionne's pastor with a broken heart. I stand here still asking the Lord why. Last time I saw Dionne was the Wednesday prior to her death. I had not seen her in about 3 weeks because I had been pastoring in Otrius. And so I thought that I would like to look in her face. So I drove down to the gas station and I stopped outside. And I asked one of the young ladies to call her for me so that I could say hi. And she came outside and we hugged and we were very happy, for we had not seen each other for a while.
During Smith's eulogy, cousin Kimberly Kennedy Walters remembered her as a loving mother who would do anything for her children. Dionne was a very loving and supportive mother who would go the extra mile for her children. She was a gem, a rare stone, with a heart of gold, and even though she was jovial, free-spirited, and down-to-earth, she took the time to form a relationship with God. Kennedy Walters said of Smith, who was affectionately called Leisha. In presenting Gordon's eulogy, Aunt Annie Codling noted that Noreen, as she was often called, was a humble and respectful young lady. Jay-Shenel was also a humble child. She was a brilliant, hardworking, and determined student. Codling said of her niece, her demeanor was respectful, and she never displayed arrogance, no matter what you said to her.
We thought we had time. We thought we would have had the opportunity to spend another birthday together, to share another Christmas dinner, to welcome another New Year. We all thought we would have been able to watch you grow and pursue your dream of becoming the best midwife this world has ever seen, and the first for our family. Norian, you are no longer here with us, but your memories will always live on in our hearts. We remember fondly the passion with which you danced on every occasion. That Auntie Shireen would say, Jay-Shenel, what is the latest dance move now? Because I have an upcoming event to attend, even though everyone knew Auntie Shireen had no way going. Norian would dance while the entire family watched in amazement. I am sure we all remember that one time at our grandfather's funeral, at her grandfather's night. We were all sad and mourning, but the moment you started to dance, the spirit lift of everyone watched you dance at the end of the night. You had us all laughing and clapping. Even though we didn't see each other a lot, I remember that whatever opportunity we got to be together at our family gatherings, you were always cheerful and polite. You won over the hearts of each person you met with that infectious smile. Norian, though your time on earth was brief, your sudden departure from this earth has left us with many unanswered questions and in world grief. We will do whatever we can to honor your memories, and you will forever live on in our hearts. You were truly loved and missed by us all.
The mother and daughter were later interred at the Dovecot Memorial Park.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.